Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. We ought to call it Crafty Melting Things because it's just so hot. I've never known it be this hot in the UK for so long. It's crazy. It's lovely, but it's a little bit tiring. We're not geared up for this sort of weather here. 4 by 6 then, I'm using fresh fig. So we've got 10.2 centimetres by 15.2 centimetres. Obviously it's doubled and it's scored in the middle. And then what I've done is I've made this kind of muted balloon backdrop piece to go on there. I'm not too sure I like it now. I think I liked it before I put the red on. And then I'm going to stick this piece on here. This was the idea anyway. And then these are going to go like so, with the balloons on. And then that's going to come across here, and then there's going to be 3 gems up there. I don't know, I think that probably will look quite nice. Let's see. Let's put it together and see. So this base then measures 5 and 7/8 by 3 and 7/8, so that's 14.9 by 9.8. Yeah, I do like that, it's pretty. So, and if you're thinking that these could do with being a bit darker, then you can always go over them with a marker and change the colour. So, there you go. Another sketch challenge completed and another card to add to my collection. I've got these so far. A couple of them, these two are quite kind of similar in a way, but this one's very different. So I think it's time for me to do a scrapbook challenge, to be honest, but I'm not going to do that today because my back is killing me. It's absolutely boiling hot outside and I think I'm going to go lay in the garden.